What are you making?
Well, right, I'm making a few things. I'm making grilled shrimp with sauteed cauliflower. And then for tomorrow, we're going to grill some chicken breasts up, marinated, with just a little bit of Pam and chili flake, parsley flake, chili powder, paprika, cumin, and a little bit of the same over here. Curry powder though, chili flake. And that's going to go with the cauliflower. It's going to get sauteed with chili flake and garlic. So you're going to have sauteed chili flake, garlic, cauliflower.
Spicy.
Yeah, with grilled shrimp.
Nice.
And then for lunch tomorrow, you're going to have a spinach salad.
Uh-huh.
With the herb grilled chicken breast.
All right, let's do it.
On to the show. We'll blanch our cauliflower. We've already grilled our shrimp and our chicken breast. We did it on a high heat grill. We started on both sides. First side, the skin side down, or what was supposed to be the skin side. And we'll leave that on like 3 or 4 minutes. Then we'll turn the breasts halfway to get the cross marks for another 3 minutes. So 6 minutes on one side. We'll flip them over and cook the other sides for an additional 4 or 5 minutes until they're cooked through, depending on the thickness of your chicken breast. The shrimp, they only take about 3 minutes on each side. Depends on how hot your grill is. And I believe my dryer's done. Cauliflower is it's steaming up. We've cut our florets a little bit smaller than usual than I like. I like mine a little bit bigger with bite size. But because we're looking for a rapid cooking method, we're going to go for a smaller, tighter cauliflower size. Then our pan is hot right here, ready for our garlic and our oil. We're going to start with a hot pan. You see the flame has been on. And we're going to use a splash of olive oil. And we're going to use our extra virgin olive oil from California because we love our domestic products. This is a fresh California extra virgin olive oil, and it's a first pressing of virgin olive oil. We'll try a little bit of that right there. We only use a little bit of Pam on the fish and the chicken. So our cauliflower is al dente. We're going to strain it out. Oops, sorry. I'm going to pour off a little bit of oil now. All the oil, the toasted garlic. Bring it back over to the fire. And we're going to season it. Fresh cracked black pepper. We're also going to use a smoked salt today. Salt comes in different flavors and varieties. You have chili salt, smoked salt, vanilla salt, salt. We're going to use a little bit of smoked salt here. And we're going to let it stay in the hot pan and kind of brown up the cauliflower a little bit. We're going to chiffonade a little bit of basil. Chiffonade is a very fine, threaded slicing of herbs, making ribbons. We're going to add those to the cauliflower with the shrimp. Go for the plate. We'll put our cauliflower down first. So this is approximately a cup of diced up florets of cauliflower. And we have 6 shrimp totaling in about 110 grams before cooking. Finish it with that. And then we'll make sure we get all our pan stuff in here, because this is the good stuff. If you like a saucier dish, you can add a little bit of splash of water or vegetable stock in here. Bring the pan juices up to a boil and add that in with the sauce. And there we have our stir-fried cauliflower shrimp, HCG style.